Okay, so this question is one of the problem solving with simultaneous that appear for O-level question. So if you look at the diagram, it's a very simple diagram with triangles, and specifically it is an isosceles triangle. So you're supposed to write down two simultaneous equations. So the simultaneous equation should be based on your properties about isosceles triangle. Okay, so if you look very carefully, being isosceles triangle means the base angle will be the same. That means, right, this angle should be equal to this angle. So that actually helps us with one equation. So how are you going to present this part? So when you present this part, you have to present it with property. So I will be saying something like angle B is equal to angle C because they are the base angle of isosceles triangle. So we got to quote a reason why are the two angles same. Okay, so this will be the first formation. Okay, do not label as equation 1 first. You try to arrange it in the format of x, y, and number so that it can facilitate your calculation later on. So that will be equation 1. So what about the second equation? Okay, so what other property can you think of when you see a triangle? When you see three angles of a triangle? So when you see three angles, you should think about angle sum of triangle. So you learn it in set 1 that the three angles add up to 180 and the property is called angle sum of triangle. So here I'm going to show that I'm using this property. So I'll be writing down the reason, angle sum of triangle. So this property helps you to form another equation. It will be a very long equation. So I suggest don't label as equation 2 first, of course. You try to work out the numbers, simplify the expression first. So if you add, okay, so if you do this, you add the x, you add the y, and you try adding the numbers. You will get a 15. So bring the 15 over, you will get a 165. So that will be your two equation. Okay, so nicely done for the two equation. Okay, subsequently, you are asked to solve. Before you solve, you make sure that your equation has no mistake. Okay, so make sure you got no mistake or else it will spill over in the solving. And after the solving, right, you will have some problem finding the size of the angle. So if you look at the instruction, your job is to solve the simultaneous to find the size of the angle. So when you solve simultaneous, you are finding the values of x and y. So you should proceed to find the value of x and y from the two equations first. In problem solving, the method is decided by you. If you take a look at these two equations, which is a feasible method to do. So substitution or elimination. So if you observe carefully, right, we can actually go for elimination because the 5y can be eliminated. The 5y can be eliminated. You got the same algebra for elimination already. So I will be doing elimination method. So I'm going to add the two equations. So when I add the two equations, left side plus left side, right side plus right side. That will cancel away the 5y and you are left with 5x. and you'll be able to get your x. So when you get your x, you can put into any of the equation. Okay, I put into equation 1. So it's up to you how which equation you want to put. So you got the x and y, and then your job is to find the angle. So how are you going to find the angle? Okay, so remember to answer the question. A lot of people will forget. Okay, so I'm going to find my angle A. So angle A is x plus 41, which you already found your x. So you work it out, you will be getting a 76 degree. So angle B is 2x minus 18. Put in your x. You will get a 52. Angle C, 5y minus 8. Put in your y. And here, in this case, you got 52 as well. So when you get these 3 answers, you can check whether does it make sense or not. All the 3 answers add up to 180 degree. And also, you manage to get 2 same angle, which match the which match the concept of the isosceles triangle. So that's how you check. So for simultaneous equation, you can be forming equation based on properties of angles. You can also be solving simultaneous based on property of area, volume. Sometimes all these are quite possible.